It's just simple water. Okay, you can remove the superficial residue. Okay, but because it works against any kind of synthetic compound.
Right.
This will melt really PVC. If you leave it on that kind of plastic, it will etch the plastic.
And go through it, yeah.
How long?
20 seconds.
Oh, that's the water.
No, that's the solvent. Wow.
Okay. Permanent marker, yeah?
Yeah.
And it's just a matter of waiting until the
Yeah,
arrow
till it
reaches.
This is just with 20 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Okay,
can
so
get
that's
there.
the Sharpie remover.
So we didn't use the Nomac on the sides, but we did use it here. So the process here was an epoxy remover that dissolved most 80%, and then we used a Nomac with about a half an hour dwell, and the permanent marker is completely gone.